Welcome back to my channel, and I am back today with another video. This one I'm hoping is going to be a slay straight out of the box unit. So if you guys have not subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Also turn those notifications on because you do not want to miss another video. So this one is going to be brought to you by the company RoyalMe. I have already reviewed for the company before. This is what the box looks like. And the unit I'm going to show you guys is their Katie Ombre Lace Front Wig. It already has a pre-plucked hairline and bleach knots already. It does have 5.5 inches of parting space from what I can read. Density on this one is only 130%. Length I will be showing you guys is 18 inches, and I believe this one does go all the way up to 22 inches. I'm just going to take the paper off of this unit. The website, it looks pretty good. They do show it straight and curl, and this is curl. They sent this one to me curl. So this is what the unit looks like straight out of the box. And it looks like they did a really good job bleaching those knots. You guys can see right here, that is the parting space. It looks really good. And it does come with 2 combs on the side. It comes with a comb in the back. It comes with your comb in the middle and adjustable straps, and you also have your elastic band to make it fit a little bit better to your side. And you do have some lace in the back to cut off also. Another thing, you can pick on the website if you want them to send it to you straight or wavy. I wasn't sure how they were going to send it, but I'm happy that it is curl. Hopefully the curls still look good once I put it on. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off and everything, and then I will put this on, and then of course tell you my thoughts on this unit. Alright guys, so just putting the unit on my head, I'm just making sure that it is fitted correctly and that I'm comfortable with it, and then moving all of the shorter hairs out the way. Now this is a medium cap size, and their mediums fit me very snug. Now you guys know I am considered a small, so just be aware that when you are ordering your units, I always go up a size when ordering from this company, just because I feel like a small would be too snug. Flipping the hair back, I'm just going to work on cutting off the lace. Now with this company, I don't have to cut off by the ear tabs. It fits me pretty good after cutting the lace off, as you guys can see. And that is what it looks like once one side is cut off. And now I'm going to work on cutting the other side. Now with this lace, it's coming off a little bit lighter against my skin, but once I add my powder, it is all going to blend in well together. I'm just making sure to blend the edges of the lace that is left on really good, and then also putting some powder on the side. Even though the side won't be showing, I still like to go in and put a little bit of powder. So now I'm going to work on the hairline. I'm not going to pluck out anymore. Now you can, of course, if you want a more pre-plucked hairline, but I'm just going to pull out a little bit of the hairs in the front and then just cut them down a little bit shorter. After I cut them down shorter, I am going to take my Glam Force Got to Be spray, and I will be spraying a little bit on my edge brush and just kind of swooping it over a little bit. Now I'm not really trying to create, you know, baby hairs, but just like adding a couple of wispies in the front just to make it come off a little bit more natural, and also hide any of the lace that may be showing, and then making sure to comb over some of the lace on the side. Of course, you can always go in with a tiny amount of Got to Be gel if you just want to adhere the sides down so that they don't flap, but I wanted this to be a glueless application so I can show you guys how quick and easy it is to apply this wig, just because I feel like this company is perfect for beginners and you don't have to put in too much work. Just going to remove the clips, and then I will add a little bit of my wax, and I'm just going to go over the very front of the unit because the hair is kind of poofy at the top from sitting in the box, and I want this to be as flat as possible, or at least look flat as possible. So I'm just going in with my HotComb. Of course, you guys already know all of the products that I do use in the videos. I will try to link them down below if I can find a link for them. Of course, if you do have extra time, you can always take some mousse and put it towards the top of the unit and then just tie it down with a scarf. Now I'm just going to work on combing out the curls in this unit, and on the website it gives you the option of getting it straight or wavy, and they sent me the hair wavy. Well, to me it's like big barrel curls, but of course when you comb it out it does give you a slight wave towards the bottom. I feel like the hair is really nice and the curls are these big barrel curls, so you may want to touch them up and make them tighter. I did go in with the flat iron on that one side because one side had fallen more than the other, and I just added a very small curl that would match the rest of the hair. Taking my Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Serum, I will be running this throughout the hair. This is going to help protect it from getting too frizzy. This is a silky texture, and I find with most silky texture units, it will get frizzy. It's prone to getting frizzy, so I highly suggest using some serum. But this is the outcome of the hair, guys. Now, like I said, if you wanted to add more curls, you definitely could. Of course, you can wear this unit straight out of the package. I think that it'll be fine. You won't have any issues, but over time, of course, you will have to add more curls to it, or you can just flat iron it. Now, I do have this unit in the length 18 inches. I wonder if I said 20 inches before. I apologize if I did. This is definitely 18 inches. I just feel like it is a little bit longer on me. Now, the unit does come in the length 12 to 22 inches. I do wish I would have gotten a shorter length because I think that it would have been perfect for every day. The density on this is nice. Even though it's only 130% density, it still looks very good and it's not coming off thin at all. As far as the parting space, I feel like they do a really good job with bleaching the knots on their unit. It doesn't look over bleached, and I didn't even put any powder into the parting space and it looks good. The only thing I had to put powder in was the hairline so that the lace wouldn't be too noticeable. The coloring on this is perfect. I feel like this is perfect for somebody who doesn't want to have too much color and they want to just start with color. I think that this will work, and it looks very professional. You can wear it to work, the weekend, and you can dress it up and then dress it down. Hey guys, let me know what you think about Miss Katie if you are feeling it. Also, I do want to mention that the company is offering 48-hour shipping, which is really quick because I get a lot of questions about shipping times. If you are interested, I'm going to make sure to leave all the links down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share, and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.